1.5 million birds stopping to refuel in Squaw Creek, Missouri. Bald eagles have been gathering, waiting for this opportunity. Almost as big as an eagle, a goose is a large and difficult prey. An impenetrable wall of beating wings. In the visual confusion, picking a single target is almost impossible. At this time of year, the lake can freeze overnight. This is what the eagles have been waiting for. The eagles send the flock into the air. In the crammed chaos, geese collide. Some are injured. Separated from the safety of the flock, they're far more easy to catch. Despite the vast numbers, the eagles have only managed a few kills.